Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dimitra token. Now this token is in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap today. Ticker symbol is Dmtr. This token's almost at a penny. It's up 102% right now according to CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Dimitra token. So, Dimitra.io is their official webpage. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap along with their full white paper, price chart, contract address, Etherscan, Twitter, Telegram, and they also have a full CertiK audit. And CertiK is basically the leading auditor in crypto, so that's great that they have that. Now, they're listed on a bunch of different central exchanges. You can find this token listed on KCEX, Gate.io, KuCoin. You can find it on OpenOcean. Now, if you want to get it in a decentralized way, you could fund your wallet, your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. Go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and trade your Ethereum for the Dmtr token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko or their webpage, Etherscan. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And there's going to be some network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Most likely on the central exchanges, if you buy it off there, it's going to be paired with USDT, so that's what you would fund your account with. Say on KuCoin, it's paired with that, Gate and BKEX. Now, according to their Etherscan here, it says right now they have 917 holders, 14,210 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 350,001,000 tokens. So you can review tons of info on their full white paper if you'd like, or you could check out their official webpage. Their webpage has a lot of info on here as well. It says data-driven farming, increase yield, reduce costs, mitigate risk. Every smallholder farmer, regardless of economic status, should be able to benefit from simple, beautiful, and useful technology, because when farmers thrive, economies thrive. That is a quote from Dimitria's CEO. It says, "We are so excited to share that Dimitra Technology is the winner of the Web and Blockchain World 2022 Entrepreneurship Award in the Industry Solutions category." So it says our applications, global operating systems for ag tech, connecting farmer platform, the Dimitra Guru platform, advanced connecting farmer platform, connected coffee, Dimitra deforestation platform. So there's all sorts of different farming stuff on here. It's basically for all different types of farmers, even coffee farmers. It says Dimitra's connected farmer platform is available to farmers across the world. The platform is targeted at supporting small farmers to record their farming activities, create and receive detailed dashboard reports, and receive recommendations that will allow them to make informed decisions that directly impact their profitability and standard of living. Now, in my opinion, not about this coin, because I never really give opinions about coins specifically, because I am not a financial advisor. I am going to give an opinion about farming, though. So obviously, a permaculture involving, fruit and stuff like that, that just falls from trees, and that type of farming that is sustainable and has trees and all sorts of things just living harmoniously is going to be the best type of farming. Obviously, monocrops, that type of stuff is terrible. Cow farts, all those nasty things. Anything with monocrops is going to just be destroying the planet. So if you want to be green, obviously permaculture is the way to go. So yeah, talking about standard of living, because eventually there's going to be no profitability if there's no land because all of the soil depletion, basically, and rainforest destruction, right? So something to consider. Anyways, the platform integrates a series of advanced technologies, including artificial intelligence, blockchain, satellites, drones, IoT sensors that provide farmers with actionable data that fundamentally improves their operations across several financial and sustainability metrics. So the DMTR token provides a catalyst that drives the ever-expanding connected farmer ecosystem. Dimitra launched a digital token to accelerate achieving our mission, enriching the lives of small and medium-sized farmers everywhere, and to grow economies around the world. Token holders help drive platform growth, ecosystem development, and expedite the delivery of our app to millions of farmers. Our token delivers great utility within our ecosystem, and an ongoing growth of our platform will create a compounding effect on the network for years to come. So tokenomics, it says DMTR is an exchange-based utility token created on the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC20 token. Transactions are always verifiable and transparent via Etherscan and the Ethereum blockchain. So total supply of this token is 1 billion tokens. Circulating supply, a little bit over 293.4 million tokens. And locked tokens, we got a little bit over 56.5 million tokens. Staked tokens is a little bit over 45.1 million. And burn tokens is a little bit over 15.9 million tokens. So within the ecosystem, they're going to have inclusion, collaboration, acceleration, community, and opportunity. They have the Academy. They have the Dimitra Incubator. It says, are you interested in learning how technology is transforming agriculture? You could check that out as well. So they have tons of social links on here. They have an Instagram, a LinkedIn, Medium articles, YouTube, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, CoinMarketCap, news section, Discord, frequently asked questions, case studies, all these things available at Dimitria.io. And like I said, this token is available, or is listed, I should say, in the top gainer section today on CoinMarketCap, doing very well. Check this out. And yeah, that's about it. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.